Hi students, today we are going to discuss an important topic for competitives like NEET, JEE, CET and whatnot other all competitives, and that is from chemical bonding chapter bond order. You see, every year there is a question from bond order. Without bond order there is no paper. When small diatomic atoms ions given, then easy. For polyatomic ions given, then how to calculate bond order with small time like sulfate, phosphate, carbonate, nitrate, like this. These are polyatomic ions. Then we have the formula bond order equal to number of bonds upon number of resonating structures. Means if carbonate given, then you have to draw their resonating structures. Then you have to calculate number of bonds. Total number of bonds, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds are there. Upon resonating structure 1, 2, 3. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Carbonate you got 4 by 3. 4 by 3 nothing but 1.33 bond order. 1.33. But we don't have that much time to draw the resonating structures. These are competitive. That's why a small trick. And this formula I am replacing with number of bonds, that is total number of bonds upon, instead of number of resonating structure, number of surrounding atoms. Number of surrounding atoms. No need to draw resonating structure. Surrounding atoms we have to see. Surrounding atoms. Let I cross check this. Number of bonds. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of bonds how many are there? 4. By surrounding atoms. How many surrounded by the central atom? 1, 2, 3. 4 by 3. That equal to 1.33. So number of resonating structures, that is equal to number of surrounding atoms. This is system. No need to draw this resonating structure. Resonating structure. Okay. If you don't know structure also you don't know. Without resonating structure, if you know only structure, resonating structure you don't know. You can calculate for all. For example, you go for that. I am explaining with few. Here I took phosphate, sulfate, perchlorate, manganate, like this. So I have to draw the structure first. So you have to draw, then only you can address easily. So what is the formula given? Number of bonds upon number of surrounding atoms. Number of bonds, how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bonds in phosphate. Upon how many surrounded atoms? 4. 5 by 4. Nothing but 1.25 is the bond order. Next you go for that sulfate. This is the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. Upon surrounded atoms 4. 6 by 4. Nothing but 1.5. And you go for ClO4 minus. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 bonds upon 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 by 4. Nothing but 1.75. And you go for this manganate. Manganate how many you have? Total 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 4. Nothing but 1.75. And this is you go for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 4. 6 by 4 nothing but 1.5. And you go for carbonate. How much are there? Total 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And surrounding atom 3. Nothing but 1.33. So if you don't know resonating structure, Then you have to draw number of bonds by number of surrounding atoms. This is the method to calculate. Okay. Clear? This is the method. What is the formula? Number of bonds by number of surrounding atom. Structure also don't know. If you don't know the structure. This is now super trick. I am giving super trick. So you don't know structure. Simply molecule they given and you have to calculate bond order. Then go for that. Very simple method I am giving here. For example, phosphate given in the exam. What is the bond order of phosphate? Listen carefully. You write the charge 3 and you write this 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 nothing but 0.75. Clear? And you subtract from 2. 0.75. 2 minus 0.75. Nothing but 1.25. Phosphate, how much we got? Phosphate already we calculated na? By using formula. We got 1.25. And here we got 1.4. Means without the structure also, without resonating structure, you can calculate. Go for another example. Sulfate, SO4, 2 minus. Write this charge 2 by this 4. 2 by 4 nothing but 1 by 2. 0.5. You subtract from 0 to. This is the trick. 2 minus 0.5. 1.5. What is the bond order in sulfate? 1.5. Already practically we calculated na? 1.5. No need any structure. No need any structure. You go for another. For example, MnO4 minus. Go for 1 by 4. 1 by 4 nothing but 0.25. And you subtract from 2. 2 minus 0.25. Nothing but 1.75. So for magnet, how much we got? Look here, 1.75. 1.75. So this we calculated already 1.75. So here we got 1.75. This is the trick. This we are calling super trick. This trick you are not getting in anywhere. So charge by this surrounding atoms number. Clear? And one more I am explaining to you. One more I am explaining. That is CrO4 minus 2. Go for here. This is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 nothing but 1 by 2. Nothing but 0.5. And you subtract from 2. 2 minus 0.5. Nothing but 1.5. Bond order. So this is the super trick. Without structure, without formula, without resonating structure, this is the simplest way to remember for polyatomic ions. And we have another, that is diatomic ions. Diatomic atoms and ions. Diatomic atoms and ions, everyone know this very easy trick. So bond order equal to number of, what is the formula bond order? Antibonding minus bonding upon 2. This is the formula we have to use according to MOT. So we have to draw the electronic configuration, then we have to go for bonding, how many are there, anti-bonding, how many are there, like that. So no need. You take simply 14 electrons as the basic point. 14 electrons are there in any atom and bond order is 3. Bond order is 3. And you go for this side and this side now. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 19, 20, like this. You 14 electrons you have to take as 3 bond order. Then 13, 15, 16, whatever it may be they given, you just 3 minus 0.5. 3 minus 0.5. 3 minus 0.5 nothing but 2.5. And this is 2. 1.5. 1. 0.5. 0. And here also same. 2.5. 2. 1.5. 1. And then you have 0.5. 0. This is the trick for diatomic atoms and ions. What is here electrons means? Look here, O2 I am taking. O2, how many electrons are there? Atomic number? Oxygen atomic number 6. Sorry, oxygen atomic number 8. O2 means 2 oxygens, means total 16 electrons are there. 16 electrons means how much? Bond order 2. That's why we are writing O double bond O. You go for nitrogen. Nitrogen 7. 7 into 2, 14. 14 electrons. 14 electrons means how much? Look here. 3. So, bond order is 3. That's why we are writing N triple bond N. Bond order nothing but number of bonds in between two atoms. This is the trick. This is the trick. And what is the use of this bond order means? And bond order directly proportional to bond energy. Means bond energy, bond order directly proportional. If you know the bond order, bond energy also easy. Means bond energy directly proportional to bond order. More the bond order, more will be the bond energy. Next, bond length. Bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. Bond order is more, bond length is less. Bond order is less, bond length is more. Means if you know the bond order, you can make other two concepts also, that is bond energy and bond length. Bond energy and bond length. So based on bond length, bond energy also you are getting the questions. So this is the method to calculate by easy way of bond order of polyatomic ions. Clear? Simplest way. Look here. This I calculated. And simply you have to write 3 by 4. That is nothing, you are getting 0.75. And that is 2 minus 0.75. Nothing but 1.25. Here 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, 0.5. 2 minus 0.5. Nothing but 1.5. Here 1 by 4 means 0.25. 0.25. Nothing but 1.75. 2 minus. Here 1 by 4 again. 2 minus 0.25. Nothing but 1.75. And here 2 by 4, 1 by 2. 2 minus 0.5. Nothing but 1.5. Carbonate 2 by 3. 2 by 3 nothing but 0.66. 2 minus 0.66. Nothing but 1.33. So no need structure, no need any formula. Simplest way to calculate this. So if you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and your friends also benefitable very easily. What about organic compounds? If they given organic compound, how to calculate organic compounds bond order? Like benzene, you know very well, organic compound. If benzene given or some other organic compounds given, how to calculate with the tricky way organic compound bond order, and we'll go for next video, that is for bond order of organic compound. Up to that, wait. Please suggest your suggestions. Be safe at home. Thank you.